The Nyotrab Youth Council has strongly opposed the Meghalaya government's reported proposal to increase fees in government colleges by 10 to 15%. The education cell of the Nyotrab Youth Council on the 6th of April 2026 submitted a memorandum to the office of the Education Minister of the state, Lakman Rimboy, and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, expressing strong objection to the proposed fee hike. Speaking to the media, HYC Education Secretary M. Langsawian stated that the proposed increase would impose an additional financial burden on students, particularly those from economically weaker sections, and could adversely affect their access to higher education. He further stated that the government had not undertaken adequate consultation with stakeholders before proposing the policy and cautioned that the organization would be compelled to take further steps if the decision was implemented.
Bakasukar kadan kajithmu bangke ka fees hati government colleges kemudian hapok kejela keleng kejela na kalian tu keseng ni na pha ikni kejing thua pan pau kejing persa ka bajur ya halor kani ka policy jongka tanah education department man pinki ka fee structure member bang suthu ba ada kani ka policy le pentrikam ka jike hi pandai ki khana ki bawan ki longyeng ki buduna ka yo akwat khamtam ro ya ki khana ki bawan na ki senang nakandang phe i ba na kalian jong education minister ong ba kanundan kanu ka jinge member ba ada pentrikam ni ka policy ni ba kadang ka scholarship ki khana kilaban yo ni ba ka scholarship pre na kalian kesan ni pinpau ke jisunya nomor bunyi i bagi sistem ki berada rumah aki sistem berada i ba ka scholarship kasam hadu kata-kata bat kani ka kan bujingnya shibune ki khana puli mah bagi peteng ni ke jing puli ke jongki ada kata ka fee structure ka ban kalian education minister logo ban ki hadu spau hadu khasan person mah kan bujingnya hi ki samla ba khamtam ki kimi ki ba ki bawan ki longin ki buduk ban kersan kena ku ki jiki ki ban peteng ni ke jing puli ke jongki sakit kerja gitu kahya but nada kan kini ke polisi ni zuko ba na kalian bebon ki samla puli bebon ki kena puli kin happen pep no ke jing puli tang stempor na mar ba kin nyolat sebelum peteng ke jing puli tang na kadau ba jing simbrai ki ba ke jing pinterkam kata ka polisi ke belong anti student mah jongan ni kesoka MDE po limba education minister kini ni dawan ka sokar jalan ni dawan education minister ba umdai bersetia ba pinterkam ikut kini ke polisi ban increase kata ka fee structure da khatsan spho du khatsan person but ni kenturu ya ka ho ong lu ba ka jingthmu jongan ni ka polisi kalong ban belong kita ki financial kita ki education institution di ba won ka government kum belong financially independent ni kwa ban kren ka besai ba kata kam de ka kamram jong ki khna puli ban hap ban ba ekjingye lani ban kit ekjingye nam ta ban belong kita ki education institution ki penjat ka government financial autonomy kade ka kamram jong sukar ban ai kata ka adequate fund niki berkam de ka kamram jong khna puli ban ada ka sukar ka ya sakhmat ban bitir kam ya kani ka policy no kham da khat kham de ther ba kham da pe pinya na kalian kasang kambalsi ban simpat de ki senjam ban kilinti ki bating ya persha ya ka education department kumju education minister jong sukar jana.
HYC Joint Secretary Pinskem Kharjarin also stated that the government should introduce policies aimed at supporting students rather than imposing additional financial strain. He added that the proposed fee hike could worsen the situation for students and negatively impact their educational prospects. The HYC has urged upon the state government to reconsider the proposal while an official response from the authorities is still awaited.
Education cell kepada pemerintah hadir mengalami ketika statement education minister sarkar resmi hagajing sya adangi ka sarkar perkat antara kebir-kebir nak pulih kalau ada kumbang itu ajumur ke para adat kung kaseng bukan orang polisi ke ban yarap antara kena pulih tani ban dari polisi diction polisi ke balong ban regulate kepada debat ka fee structure tidak saya ajumur ke pemerintah ke para adat handrai ban adang ipek mentah kani kasing lek sarkar ke bawang rakyat kani ka polisi panang ai ka financially independent kepada berki government institution educational institution kani kan kandon kajing tak bakhanjur ngimla panlen ba kajing sia ha ladang ipek ya ka jinghyar ka education apa jala kajing ila apang kani kadai na kuai bentah ka tak ka banang sarap penhyar susu hadin habut hak bade berki drop out rate kena pulih balai bang tam mar mang yong ba ki ba bon hi ki dai ki kena khamtam ki baduk basuk hi mata lada kani ka jingle ko sarkar nang man ki usu ka fee structure hak bade baki institution educational institution kanam kata tangya ki kena pulih hanrai kani hi kanang penkharoi ya ki jing stiu da ka ba kembang im tangi sakhi ka jing kharoi jung drugs ka jing kharoi jung ni sing ka jing nang bon jung ni ki samla kan thei ki ba ya thai kam ko me dai baki mang salang balai ni sakhi ko ta ki jingja marpi la kum menta ki khna pule kim don ki yo shui khalat ban pule sei kin nei kadang ni perkat kadang ni ekran ka bare ba ko balakas niru ni lahiran sebab pelat dan nalor kataru ban lek biru lada ni ka kiu ka bai kelas ka bai pule kan kiu hai pat kin yo ya kata dah ka bakadu hi kan koi ka por ba hakaba ki kena pulir dah ki yo su kalat ban pulir ni ban apa perkat per kam ka jam ka bala siru ka hiran sai kin lai hakaba kadu kan koi kita hi benta kanang pan kharoi ka jingsni kin cukut haka hakaya kayang haki surak haki syakir sunam bar ka bakadu kin ngap jingsni ko per kanang pan kharoi su ka jingsni